So the first step is to open up your web browser. I chose Google, and then just type in Google Drive in the search bar and hit enter. And then you click on the one that says Google Drive. It's usually the first one that pops up. And you click continue on the Google Drive. Then you go up to the left-hand corner where it says new, and it should pop up with an option to click folder, and then you create a new folder. And then a box will appear, and you can title the new folder whatever you want. You could title it for your new class, or just whatever is most relevant. And then you hit create. And then your new folder should appear under folders, but my laptop is really slow, so just give it a minute. And there it is.